This small thing is the UV Care Portable Germinator 2.0, a small but very powerful sterilization device that has a combination of UVC light plus ozone technology that guarantees 99.9% sterilization rate.
Hi, I'm Daddy Kicks and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Disclaimer: I am not paid by any company, and all I am saying in this video is just purely from my opinion. Kindly do your research before buying this product. This product can be used in your car, luggage, in your bathroom, or for your groceries. So this one sterilizes 10 square meters. Let's go to the parts. The inner part, which is the heart of this gadget, is the lamp. Okay, you see it's like a U-shaped lamp. So that's the UVC light. Then this metal is the metal body that protects the lamp from being destroyed. This is the on and off switch. If you press this one once, it will turn green, which is 15 minutes. Then press twice, it will be blue for 30 minutes. This small thing at the back is the micro USB port, where you attach the USB to connect it to the out source or the power source and to charge this device. And based on the company's detail, the maximum charging time is 3 hours for 5 voltages. Based on the company, one full charge of this one for 3 hours is enough for 15 minutes for 14 times, then 30 minutes for 7 times. And on its bottom part, the child lock safety feature, which has the off, manual, and auto. This one is used for the motion sensor. So for example, if you were using this one, it's turned on, and you put this on the auto mode, any movement that is sensed by the gadget will turn off the UV light. In the dark, the motion sensor is deactivated. Green light, 15 minutes. Blue light, 30 minutes. Then, since it's dark, the motion detector is not activated. Then, to turn off, just hold. So red if charging, and it's going to be green if it's fully charged. So based on company, if fully depleted, 3 hours. And that is the UV Care Portable Germinator 2.0, a small but very powerful device for sterilization that you can add for your family's protection. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and share with your bosses, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that if I release any updates or videos, you will be notified immediately. So that's it. I'm Daddy Kicks. Have a great day.
If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your fellow bosses, and be sure to subscribe.